Hello internet, I hope every one of you are doing absolutely fine. Today is Saturday and it's almost 7:45 a.m. So today the plan is to go out to see a place which is Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta, and my plan is to do off-road today. So basically I'm going there for off-roads. In this lockdown I'm basically not going out. I'm always keeping indoors, but since it's a weekend and it's early morning, I thought of going to a place, and that place is not that crowded also. It's almost like 60-70 kilometers from here, and if it is this is Whitefield, so it can be around 80 kilometers. So yeah, today that is the plan. I will go there and do some off-roading because the last 4 kilometer stretch is off-roads. So I think I'm gonna enjoy that, and we'll show you what kind of off-roads a naked bike can do on a very bad off-road trail. And since I have a new GoPro, I think I'm going to enjoy recording the off-road as well. So guys, stay tuned. I hope the ride will be good. So let's get going. Okay, so cool guys, I think I'm ready to go out. I'm just warming up my engine, so have to get fueled up because I don't have, actually I have petrol but I don't want to take chance. Swipe ಮಾಡಿ madam. Thank you.
Customer coffee? Thank you.
100.
I was waiting to see this man, like literally. Weekends can't be better than this. Amazing dude. I think Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta is still 35 to 40 kilometers away. Amazing. This is amazing guys, like wow, I can see like it's a hill station or something like that. I mean, the roads are so nice here. Okay, which way to go? Beautiful mountain, hills, right or left? Oh, it's left. Cool. Good. I don't know how to read Kannada, although I can understand. Oh yeah, it's Elephant and Tiger Reserve. Goodness. Cool. I expected this, and it's an elephant crossing zone as well. So yeah, the GoPro battery was dead. I had to replace the battery. So I'm kind of hopeful, but still not sure. It looks like not open. Let's try. Fine. Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta. So it's quite clear there, written without permission entry into the national park is prohibited and is punishable under the Wildlife Protection Act. these guys also came here and they have to return. They actually tried to, I don't know, they tried talking to the official and that guy was super angry on them and they went back. Hello guys, so the things didn't go as expected because the road is closed there, as you can see, and they're not letting me in. So they say that there's some order from the officials that not to open the gates for some reason, and also it's monsoon, he said, so the roads are not that good for off-roading as well. So kind of I came here riding for 85 kilometers from Bangalore, and sad dude, but
a few moments later.
Hi guys, so I was lucky enough that the forest rangers came here and they allowed us to do this off-roading. I can't express my gratitude towards them because they were like, okay, do you want to come? Okay, come, follow me. So the jeep is somewhere ahead of me and this place is amazing, dude. Like finally I got to do the off-roading. So nothing can be better than this, and I am enjoying it, man. I am enjoying it. I can't express how happy I am. I made a vlog saying that okay, I'm returning to Bangalore without seeing this place, but wow, मजा आ गया यार. Ooh, wow, dude. What a nice view. So I have to follow the jeep, and these three guys were also there, and we had fortune. I'm waiting for them to go a little ahead so I can do some off-roading, saddling and all. Let's do it. Because I can see the mountains are below us now, other mountains and hills. Hi guys, so I can't say how lucky I am to be here at the top of the hill. You see the view there, it's amazing. I mean, it's one of the best places and most underrated place in Bangalore, nearby Bangalore. So as I said that the forest ranger jeep was crossing by and they allowed us to enter. So yeah, that's the best thing happened today. And there is another viewpoint that side, and I will go and show you that as well. And I have taken a beautiful time lapse of this view, so I will show you that as well. And there is a temple too, so I went in this and did puja and all, so that's good as well. So yeah, I will show you the time lapse. second. There is a small trail over here, which is this, and the view from here is even better than the one I showed you now. So I'm just going there. Let's go. It's very narrow, yeah. Okay, is it the one? Okay. Oh. Oh. Okay, so this is amazing. So the another viewpoint that I was talking about is this. As you have seen these pics a lot of times, and it's the view. It's super amazing, dude. There are a lot of mountains around, a lot of hills. This is amazing, guys. I can see Bangalore as well, just there. If you, I don't know if you can see, but I can see at least Electronic City quite well. So it's not that far as well. It's 70-80 kilometers. Well, I will take some time lapse and show you. Staying at home for 7 days is a really difficult challenge. So this Saturday I thought of like coming here and enjoy the peaceful place. So this place is definitely very peaceful, very less people. I think like maybe just a little less than 20. So for me, did I like the place? I would say I love this place because it's so peaceful. It's a bioreserve and people are not allowed after 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. here. So you better make sure you come here at around 8:30 because the 9 a.m. is the opening time of this place. So I would recommend you not to be very early here because you will be disappointed. So just come little before 9, so that will help you because the gates open at 9 as I told you. And when you come here, there are two viewpoints, and one is that side a little below, and this is there is a narrow trail and you can take that and come here. And this small pond is kind of famous photo that you will see on Google Maps and everywhere for Bilikal Rangaswamy Betta. So this is the place. I loved it and I have taken full precautions. So I'm going for a trip like this, like gloves, mask and everything. So I didn't meet anyone, just one or two, and that too with quite a distance, 6 feet distance for sure. So that's it. I love the place, and you guys can come here. It's the perfect time because just now the monsoons have started and everything is so fresh now. After a few months it will be very heavy rain, so I don't recommend coming here after like 30 days or so. So just come in here and enjoy the place, and try not to litter the place because I have seen a few places here that were littered and I felt really bad about it. So keep the place green, clean, and enjoy the place. So that's what it is. So I hope you liked my video today. I always upload my videos every 7 days, so stay tuned for the next videos and subscribe to my channel, share the video, like the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss the update whenever I upload videos. And I forgot to mention that if you want to know the ownership review of my TVS Apache 200 that I ride, you can just go and check the link in the description below. You will find it there if you are interested. So have a good day guys, enjoy.